guys, this is me again, Roha Briner, ang inyong alindog, lipstick lang ang katapat. Today vlog is we're going to unboxing my necklace jewelry mannequins, ayan, or necklace decor. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you're always notified with my new videos. So let's start.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away.
So ayan guys, we're going to unboxing my necklace polar jewelry necklace decor. Ayan. I bought this in Amazon. It's like 2 days ago. Ayan. Because I have a lot of necklace, so every time I use every day, I put only or I hang somewhere or everywhere, so I misplace all sometimes my necklace. So that's why it's better we have these. So I'll show you guys, huh? Well, let's unboxing. So here we go. So ayan mga kalindo, let's unbox. Ay, oh my god, my nail is hurt. Ayan mga kalindo, let's here now the box is better. OMG guys, I'm so excited. So titignan natin siya. Well, and this is also 2 pieces, by the way. I bought is like buy one and you get one. So, look. Ayan, mga kalindog. Oh my god, let's see. I think this is small. I saw already it's small. But anyway, let's see and let's open. So this box is empty, so we need to throw. So ayan guys. Try na. Okay. Goodness. So wait mga kalindog. But before, ayan, we need the things. Ayan. Kailangan natin ng a little bit chair. So para you will see this. So ayan guys, this is it. Ayan, open na natin because it's still in the plastic. So, oh, I thought it, ayan. So the sliding and the what do you call it? It's like the plastic is I forgot, with the zip. Ayan, the zipper or zip. So there we go mga kalindong. Daran! Oh my god! So small! Kaya pala it's very super. Ayan, ha? So, let's put here para you will see really. Ayan. Kasi it's quite there. Ayan. So, this is yung mga kalinda. Well, ayan. I think this is small. Ayan. I'm not satisfied, but it's okay. Ayan. I don't see the measure. I think they have the small, large, and medium. So I think this is the small. Ayan, by the way, you see, ayan mga kalindog. Sa inyo, o diba? Ayan, nagayon siya ng necklace. O diba? So ayan, dalawa siya. Ayan, yung isa naka-plastic. So lagyan natin, for example, ayan, I have my fur. Ayan, ganyan siya mga kalindog. O, diba? Ayan, diba? Mga kalindog, look at this. O, diba? Beautiful. O, diba? Ayan. I think this is, it's like a wood. Ayan. So, ayan, diba? Diba? At ayan siya. So, ayan guys, lagay ng ating fur. O, diba? Ayan. Tapos itong isa, at pwede rin natin siyang i-try dito. So ayan, meron din tayong coral. So, ayan mga kalindog. Yan, maliit siya. She is, or that is so small. Ayan mga kalindog, try natin to. So, ayan. Okay, by the way, this is good also. Ayan guys, yung coral natin. O, diba? Pwede na. Makita nyo, wait, ilapit ko. Ayan. Kalindog. So, there we go. Ayan. Nakikita nyo? Oh. So, ayan mga kalindog, dalawa siya, 2 pieces. So, can you see it also? Pwede natin, so, itry natin dito sa isa. Tanggalin na rin natin yung cover. So, we can use it now. Ayan. O, diba mga kalindog? Maganda siya para hindi siya na yung halimbawa meron tayong mga we have the necklace for everyday. Ayan. You can put like that. So, there we go. Ayan. So, next time, bibili tayo ng malaki. So, ayan. Di ba, mga kanindogs? Ayan. So, there we go. So, pakita ko sa inyo, mga kalindog, no? So, ayan siya, mga kalindog. Di ba? Kita nyo. Ayan, small lang siya. Dapat pala yung biggest ang binili natin. Di ba maganda siya, elegant? Ayan, para sa pearl at sa... Ayan. So, I think bibili pa tayo ng mga 3 pieces. Ayan, para sa mga ating ka-gold-goldan naman dyan. O, di ba? At ayan. Di ba? Ganyan ang itsura niya. The back. And also, ayan, pakita natin yung kanyang, ayan, di ba? So, ganyan lang siya, mga kalindog. It's so nice also, di ba? So, elegant. Oh, ayan, mga kalindog. So, satisfied, but not 100% because it's small. Ayan. So, bibili na lang tayo ng bago. So, good, ne? Nice. Ayan, mga kalindog. I hope did you enjoy my video for today and my vlog. So, don't forget to smile. And guys, thank you for watching. I hope did you enjoy it. Ayan mga kalindog, satisfied and happy. Not 100% ayan ha. But anyways, and thank you guys. And please don't forget to subscribe. Ayan, till next time, my new vlogs. Bye!